All right, welcome to Ayurooms TV. My name is Ali Aladina. I'm the founder of Ayurooms. I make videos about the top health resorts in India.
Should I say Ali or Ayurooms? Okay, because I'm saying Ali, but maybe I should say Ayurooms.
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 Ayurooms. Ayurooms.
Or Ayurooms.
The boss himself.
I had so much to say. I'm such a big fan. I would add 3 P's: professional, prompt, and personalized.
Talking to Ali at Ayurooms was like a breath of fresh air.
It was quite refreshing to come across the platform that was stable, that really resembles what we're used to in the US.
I think going through a company like Ayurooms for this particular type of holiday is essential.
He knows the landscape extremely well, and so it's helping you determine where you're going to go based on the budget that you have, based on the condition that you're grappling with.
Like computerize it in a way, but with people who are really sitting with you and working it out with you.
It's so helpful to have that person that knows these people on the ground extremely well. And so that has given me some solace and some semblance of massive confidence and comfort coming into this.
I didn't have to worry about the little details, so it gave me a lot more time to concentrate on myself and feel better.
I cannot tell you how much Ali Khan has helped me.
He also does it with his heart, and he gives it his 110%.
So every resort that he recommends is tried and tested, and he knows them inside out, which is not usually the case with the travel agent, because they'll just have a list and some pictures.
He's professional. He takes time to talk to you. He gives you the straight goods so you know exactly what you're walking into.
Panchakarma is completely different, and I think you have to choose using someone who understands exactly what you're going to get and your priorities, because I do believe you can get hugely disappointed.
Ayurooms has been very if I remember the mails, very clear in giving us a best fit property.
I don't think my trip would have been as successful and as enjoyable if it wasn't for Ayurooms.
Once again, you're treated like royalty.
You will not feel alone. You will feel taken care of.
Like you're a 2-year-old and your mother is just looking after you. It's just insane. Just the level of service.
You have an honest man with integrity.
You got to experience once.
Very appreciative of Ayurooms.
Get hold of Ayurooms, ayurooms.com.
It's a stress-free process.
I have to say I've been in paradise here. It's been heavenly. I have nothing but good things to say about the experience I've had.
Thank you very much for everything.
Of course, thank you.